In the heart of the Himalayas, nestled among snow-capped peaks and ancient monasteries, the Kingdom of Bhutan is quietly making waves in the world of digital finance. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and deep-rooted spiritual traditions, Bhutan is now stepping onto the global stage with a bold, forward-thinking vision. The country is blending its unique philosophy of gross national happiness, a commitment to well-being and holistic progress, with an ambitious leap into the realm of cryptocurrency and digital assets. This fusion of ancient wisdom and modern technology is setting Bhutan apart from its neighbors. Under the guidance of King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuck, Bhutan has quietly assembled a significant digital asset portfolio through its sovereign investment arm, Druk Holding Investments. While many countries remain cautious, Bhutan's leadership has chosen a path of calculated innovation, building digital infrastructure behind the scenes. Recent, well-timed Bitcoin transfers to Binance by Bhutan's investment authorities reveal a deliberate national strategy. This is not reckless speculation, but a carefully orchestrated move to position Bhutan as a serious player in the digital economy, leveraging global platforms to maximize returns for its people. The kingdom is also harnessing its abundant hydroelectric resources, which provide clean, renewable energy to power sustainable cryptocurrency mining operations. This approach not only generates revenue, but also aligns with Bhutan's environmental values. At the same time, Bhutan is integrating digital payment systems across its tourism sector, making it easier for visitors to experience the country while supporting local businesses. Contactless payments and QR codes are becoming a common sight, reflecting a seamless blend of tradition and technology. Bhutan's approach is emerging as a fascinating case study in how a nation can weave digital assets and innovation into its broader development goals, all while maintaining a deep respect for its cultural heritage. The country is showing that progress and preservation can go hand in hand. With these bold moves, Bhutan is sending a clear message to the world. Even the most secluded and tradition-rich corners of the globe can take the lead in the digital economy, inspiring others to rethink what's possible in the age of technology. In mid-2025, Bhutan's Druk Holding Investments made headlines by transferring 650 Bitcoin, worth over $173 million at the time, to Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. This move wasn't just a simple transaction, it was the result of months of careful planning and market analysis by Bhutan's financial strategists, who were closely monitoring global crypto trends and price movements. The transfer was part of a broader series of strategic maneuvers designed to maximize the value of Bhutan's digital assets. Behind the scenes, teams of analysts and decision-makers worked together, reviewing data and timing each move to perfection. Among these transactions, a particularly notable one involved 137.24 Bitcoin sent just after Bitcoin's price surged past $120,000. This precise timing highlights Bhutan's ability to read the market and act decisively, capturing value at critical moments. By choosing Binance, Bhutan ensured access to deep liquidity pools and minimal price slippage, allowing them to convert large amounts of Bitcoin into fiat currency efficiently. This was a crucial step in preparing to channel these digital assets into funding national development projects. This wasn't a one-off event or a lucky break. It was the execution of a disciplined, long-term investment plan that had been in the works for years, reflecting Bhutan's commitment to financial innovation and stability. Bhutan's approach to asset management now rivals that of major global hedge funds, transforming cryptocurrency from a passive holding into a dynamic tool for economic growth and national progress. The kingdom's professionalism, strategic foresight, and willingness to embrace new financial technologies have set it apart on the global stage, earning respect from international investors and policymakers alike. With this bold crypto strategy, Bhutan is not just safeguarding its wealth, it's actively investing in its future, using digital innovation to fund infrastructure, education, and sustainable development for generations to come. Bhutan's Bitcoin transfers coincided with a historic rally, as prices soared past $120,000 in mid-2025. The kingdom capitalized on peak market euphoria, selling into strength and locking in gains at the top. This disciplined approach protected Bhutan from volatility, ensuring profits before any potential correction. Druk Holding Investments showed patience, holding through cycles and acting only when conditions were ideal. Bhutan's strategy balanced risk and reward, securing tangible resources for national use. The global context, high liquidity, and institutional demand made this the perfect moment to sell. Bhutan's ability to read the market and act decisively turned digital assets into a financial windfall. It's a masterclass in strategic foresight. Even after recent sales, Bhutan remains a major crypto holder, with over 11,400 Bitcoin, valued near $1.40 billion, still in its reserves. This impressive stash is the result of years of strategic accumulation, quietly building a digital fortune while much of the world remained unaware. Bhutan's approach has been both bold and discreet, allowing the kingdom to amass a significant position in the world's most valuable cryptocurrency. This places Bhutan among the world's top state-level crypto holders, reflecting its early, decisive entry into the market. Few nations have been as forward-thinking, and Bhutan's presence in this elite group is a testament to its willingness to embrace innovation and take calculated risks on the global financial stage. The recent sale was a portfolio rebalance, not a full exit. Bhutan still believes in Bitcoin's long-term potential. By adjusting its holdings, the kingdom is managing risk while staying committed to the digital asset space, signaling confidence in the future of decentralized finance. The kingdom also holds Ethereum, signaling interest in broader blockchain innovation. This diversification shows Bhutan's intent to participate in the evolving landscape of digital assets, not just as a passive holder, but as an active player in the next wave of financial technology. Bhutan's digital treasury is a strategic reserve, akin to gold or foreign currency, ready to fund development or stabilize the economy. By treating crypto as a core part of its reserves, Bhutan is preparing for a future where digital assets play a central role in global finance. This is no experiment. Crypto is central to Bhutan's economic planning. The government's integration of digital assets into its financial strategy demonstrates a long-term vision, aiming to harness the benefits of blockchain technology for national growth and resilience. By maintaining a large position, Bhutan stands to benefit from future digital asset growth. If the market continues to expand, the kingdom's reserves could provide a powerful boost to its economy, supporting innovation and development for years to come. Its commitment to crypto is deep and enduring, positioning Bhutan as a unique player in the global financial landscape, one that's ready to shape its future with digital assets at the core. Bhutan's crypto journey began years ago, mining Bitcoin when prices were low, thanks to its abundant hydropower. Druk Holding Investments, the sovereign wealth fund, manages this strategy to reduce reliance on aid and tourism. Hydroelectric power gives Bhutan a green edge in mining, aligning with its carbon-negative status. The government sees crypto as a tool for growth, innovation, and transparency. In 2025, Bhutan partnered with Binance to enable crypto payments in tourism, modernizing the sector. By converting hydropower into digital assets, Bhutan is building a resilient, future-ready economy. This holistic approach blends sustainability, investment, and real-world application. Bhutan's Gelaphu Mindfulness City is a visionary project, aiming to create a sustainable, innovative economic hub on the Indian border. Crypto reserves will help fund this city, integrating digital assets into its economic framework. The city will foster startups, tech companies, and a digitally native financial system. Gelaphu blends economic ambition with Bhutanese values, prioritizing well-being and sustainability. Profits from Bitcoin mining and investment are being channeled into real-world infrastructure. The city is a living laboratory for blockchain integration, rooted in gross national happiness. Bhutan's crypto strategy is transforming digital value into generational benefits. Gelaphu will stand as a symbol of Bhutan's digital and cultural vision. Bhutan's recent Bitcoin sale is part of a consistent pattern. Druk Holding Investments has repeatedly sold during market rallies. In 2024, Bhutan sold Bitcoin as prices neared $70,000, realizing $60 million in profits. Another major sale followed as Bitcoin approached $100,000, again timing the market perfectly. These moves show a disciplined, programmatic approach, with predefined targets guiding profit-taking. Bhutan treats Bitcoin as a strategic asset, actively managed for national benefit. This cyclical strategy, accumulating in quiet periods, selling into strength, funds development goals. The kingdom's mastery of crypto markets is both impressive and effective. Bhutan is not a passive holder but a savvy, active participant. Bhutan's digital ambitions face real challenges, especially with internet connectivity across its mountainous terrain. Reliable, high-speed internet is essential for crypto payments, tourism, and attracting tech talent. Connectivity issues could slow adoption and undermine confidence in digital systems. The government is investing in telecom upgrades, including satellite and fiber optic solutions. Digital literacy and robust regulation are also priorities to ensure safe participation in the digital economy. Profits from Bitcoin sales are being reinvested to bridge the digital divide. Overcoming these hurdles is crucial for Bhutan's digital future. Closing the gap will unlock the full potential of its visionary strategy. Bhutan's strategic Bitcoin sale is more than a financial move. It's a declaration of economic self-determination. By harnessing hydroelectric power for sustainable mining, Bhutan turns natural resources into digital wealth. The kingdom's disciplined, forward-thinking approach funds projects like Gellifu Mindfulness City, blending tradition with innovation. Challenges remain, but Bhutan's proactive strategy and reinvestment in infrastructure show it's ready to meet them. This self-reinforcing model, digital profits funding digital infrastructure, sets a global example. Bhutan proves that vision, not size, shapes the future. The Dragon Kingdom's journey is a lesson in bold, intelligent nation-building for the digital age.